Hey everyone, you just saw some stunning videos, and guess what? I created all of them in minutes, without showing my face or editing anything manually. All thanks to one powerful AI tool. If you search for story videos on YouTube, you'll find countless YouTubers creating content in various niches, racking up millions of views. You might think making story videos is tough, but today, I'm going to show you a tool that lets you create professional quality videos using just a prompt or your own script. And you can try with a 1-month subscription for free. So I will guide you through everything step by step, so make sure you pay very close attention. Without wasting any time, let's start the video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Pro Secret. The tool we are using today is Mootion AI, a 100% faceless video generator powered by AI. The link is in the description. With Mootion, you can create high-quality videos from just your ideas, and you can customize everything, from scenes and styles to voiceovers and visuals. Mootion providing general creation for long videos, faceless short videos, multi-language story videos, Islamic stories and more. Here you can see you can make videos with niches. Mootion is perfect for creators, marketers, educators, and even parents. Here's what you can create using this tool. Social content creation. Create shorts, reels, and YouTube videos that grab attention instantly. Education and tutoring. Mootion is a game changer for teachers, trainers, and online educators. Imagine turning your boring lesson plans into engaging, animated videos that capture attention. Whether you are teaching school subjects, language lessons, or technical concepts, you can simplify complex topics with visuals, narration, and motion scenes. This makes learning more interactive and memorable for students, especially visual learners. Teachers can use Mootion for flipped classrooms, homework explainers, revision guides, or even to create content for their YouTube teaching channels. No need for expensive setups or being on camera. Just your voice and ideas are enough to create powerful educational content in minutes. And for students, this makes lessons easier to understand, increases engagement, and helps retain knowledge better than traditional text-based materials. Parenting and kids' stories. Craft bedtime stories and animated tales for children without showing your face or recording video. Marketing and commercials. Need to promote your product or service. Mootion helps you do it in a professional, eye-catching way. Niches. You can make videos in more than different niches. Just select your favorite topic, and AI will handle everything. Now let's generate some videos. First, let's check faceless short videos. Click on it, and it will bring you to this page. Here, you can write your prompt or paste your script. I'm writing a prompt, create a motivational story. Then select the language, I'm going with English, and select the tone, I'm selecting business. Next, add an AI avatar if you want, but this time I'm going without it. Then set the aspect ratio and select the style of your video. Here you can see Mootion provides a wide range of styles, so I'm selecting Hyper Cartoon. Finally, click on the Generate button. As you can see, it will charge just 20 credits, which means you can generate up to 10 videos with free credits. Now, Mootion is generating the storyboard for our video. The storyboard is generated, and it gives the title to our video, Tom's Marathon Journey. Below, you can see it has generated images in the hyper cartoon style that we selected. Each image has a different dialogue. You can change the dialogue, regenerate the image if needed, animate the image, or insert a new image. Everything is looking perfect, so no need to change anything. You can generate the video directly using these images, but if you want a more engaging and eye-catching video, I recommend animating these images. It will help to increase the viewership. Simply click Animate All, and for better results, select Advanced Mode. Mootion is animating all images. It will take around 2 to 5 minutes. After animating the images, check all the scenes. If any scene needs adjustments, simply regenerate it. In my case, everything is perfect, so let's click Next. Here is the final step. Select the title text style, it will show your cover image. Select subtitle style. Set scene effects and animation style. Select a voiceover. You can adjust the volume to low, medium, or high. I'm going with medium. As you can see, Mootion provides a lot of free voiceovers. Select the one that suits your video. Then, AI avatar, not needed for this video, so I'm keeping it as none. Finally, background music. Mootion provides copyright-free AI background music for your videos. Select the one that fits your video. Finally, click on Composite. Mootion is merging everything and generating our video. You can see the summary and script of your video here. Finally, our video is generated. For downloading, simply click on Download, select Video, and it will download instantly. I will show you the result in a bit. Now, let's generate a long video. Simply click on General Creation, and it will bring you here. In General Creation, you can create a video using a prompt, script, or audio plus video. This time, I'm using my script. Click on Per Paragraph as a scene, it will generate an image for every paragraph. Next, select the language, I'm going with English. This time, I'm also using an AI avatar. Set the aspect ratio, and for this video, I'm using the ultra-realistic style. Then click Generate. Now, Mootion is generating the storyboard for our video. The storyboard is generated, and it gives the title to our video, Top 3 Richest Countries. This title I mentioned in my script. The rest of the method is the same. I'm animating all the images with advanced mode, then clicking Next. Here, all the setup is the same as I just showed you. I'm just changing the voiceover this time and adjusting the AI avatar layout. Then click Composite, and our video is generated. Simply download it. I will show this video in a bit. Now, let's generate one final video using the audio feature. Again, go to General Creation and click on the Use My Recording section. Here, you can either record audio video or upload it. I'm uploading my audio. Select the aspect ratio and video style. This time, I'm using the anime style. Then click Transcribe. Mootion will transcribe your audio and give you a script based on your recording. If the transcription is correct, go ahead and click Generate, or you can retranscribe if needed. I'm going to generate the video. Here, the procedure is the same as I showed you earlier. I'm selecting Animate all images with advanced mode. After animating the images, click Next. Again, the setup is the same, just one change. This time it won't show the voiceover section because we are using our own audio. Finally, click Composite and download the video. So, we have generated 3 videos with different styles and methods. Let me show you the results one by one.
Tom was an ordinary man with a big dream. He wanted to run a marathon. But Tom had never run more than a mile. Friends laughed, saying it'd be impossible. Undeterred, Tom started his training journey. He ran a little every day. Gradually, Tom increased his distance. He faced setbacks, injuries, and doubts. But Tom's determination grew stronger with each challenge. He visualized crossing the marathon finish line. Helping to sustain his motivation was a calendar. Tom marked each day he completed a run. This visual reminder kept his spirits high. Tom joined a local running club. He found support and encouragement from others. Every morning, he embraced the relentless grind. Overcoming obstacles taught Tom valuable lessons. Finally, marathon day arrived, filled with excitement. Tom felt nervous, yet ready to achieve his goal. He ran with the rhythm of his heartbeat. Every mile challenged his body and mind. Spectators cheered, fueling Tom's weary soul. As the finish line appeared, emotions overwhelmed him. With a final push, Tom crossed the line triumphantly. Tears flowed as he realized his achievement. He learned persistence, belief, and courage. Tom transformed his life, inspiring others. His journey taught him anything is possible.
The top 3 richest countries in the world. Number 3, Japan. Japan stands out with its highly advanced and technology-centric economy anchored by precision machinery and automotive industries. The country places a strong emphasis on research and development, fostering innovations in robotics, electronics, and medical technology. With an export-oriented approach and a reputation for high-quality products, Japan maintains a notable presence in global financial markets. Number 2, China. China has undergone a remarkable economic transformation, evolving from an agrarian society to a global economic powerhouse. Its manufacturing prowess is evident on the international stage. The technology sector has seen explosive growth, with many companies achieving global prominence. Their GDP is over $17 trillion. Number 1. The United States. The United States boasts the world's largest economy, driven by a multifaceted landscape of industries. They are by far the richest country in the world with an insane GDP of $22 trillion.
It was a sunny afternoon. William Shakespeare is working on his play The Merchant of Venice. His daughter comes to see him. "Father, look at my new ring. Isn't it lovely, gold and shiny?" "Dear daughter, it is very beautiful. Where did you get such a pretty thing?" "From the market. It was much cheaper than the gold merchant." "Is it real gold?" "Yes, of course." "So, my dear daughter, why is your finger green?" My dear daughter, you have a lot to learn. Sit with me while I work." The Merchant of Venice. The Prince of Morocco wants to marry the beautiful Portia. But first, she must choose between 3 boxes, one made of gold, the second of silver, and the third of cheap lead. Only one of the boxes contains a picture of Portia, and if the prince chooses the wrong one, he cannot marry her. So, dear daughter, which box does he choose? The gold box. Is it real gold? He chooses the gold box indeed, and indeed it is real gold. The prince believes that only the most beautiful box can hold a painting of the beautiful Portia. But in fact, it holds not a picture, but a scroll with these words, "All that glisters is not gold. All that glisters is not gold." Often have you heard that told. Many a man his life hath sold, but my outside to behold. He thought that because the box is beautiful on the outside, something beautiful must be inside. He was wrong. We'll leave them there for now. Well, that car looks fantastic, but all that glitters is not gold. Check the engine before you buy it. Oh, father, will you buy me a real gold ring? Please? To buy or not to buy? That is the question.
It's amazing how all the videos look perfect, with the AI avatar delivering lip-sync movements that match the video dialogue perfectly. There are many other features for creating videos across various niches, so I won't make this video too long. I highly recommend checking it out for yourself. The link is in the description. I believe you can create videos even better than mine. You just need to take the first step. After signing up, you'll receive 200 bonus credits, which is renew every month. To unlock the full potential of Mootion, I suggest subscribing. The price is very reasonable. If you are in the education sector, Mootion offers a free 1-month subscription. Just fill out the form, and after confirmation, you'll get access. So, go ahead and start your journey. People are already making tons of money just by uploading AI-generated videos, and you can do it too. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.